In my family, of course, we're not traveling to Germany, we don't buy German products. This is how I was raised. He refused to take the reparations. And I decided to ask for permission to go because I knew that I want to tell his story. I'm not going just to travel, I'm going to tell his story. And I asked him, what do you think if I will go to Germany? And he was very, very old. He was 97. He was very confused, but I could see that he understands what I'm asking. And I say, Grandpa, what do you think? Abrasheta, what do you think about me going to Germany to tell your story? And he said, yes. So to be convinced that this is what he told me, I asked again, and if I will go to Vilnius to tell your story? And he said, no, go to Germany. So I knew that he understood what I asked. And I went to Germany and we worked on the show for 5 weeks. And 5 weeks, my grandfather was there in the rehearsal room because I brought his Nuremberg testimony and I brought his poems and I brought the book, the Ghetto Vilna diary that was translated to Deutsch, to German. And he was there. His presence was there. And then there was the premiere, the 20th of November 2010. That was the premiere. And at noon, I'm getting a phone call from Israel. My aunt called me that Abrashe had died that morning. And I didn't know what to do because I didn't know if it was a sign not to do the show or it was a sign to do it because this is the closure. And I decided to do it. And I was telling the audience, this was the scene. Look, this is my grandfather. And I show him the book and the picture of him. Look, we look the same. I'm a candle of remembrance. This is how the show was built. So I was a candle of remembrance there in Germany. And I had made a closure